What's going on, beautiful people? As you can see, we're making steady progress. Now, if you're not a subscriber, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're already a subscriber, thanks for subscribing to the channel. I'm going drive-by-wire on this setup. Let me show you what I got going. All right, I got the pedal, or what's left of the pedal. And what I did was cut this off this side and the pedal because it's too far over angle to the passenger side going into the transmission tunnel. Pedal's not going to mount down like that. So what I did, I took the factory Cadillac pedal assembly out, and cut some threads on this rod. And what my thought is to feed it through. And then put some serrated nuts on it to lock it in place. Now I also had a thought of putting a pin in, drilling straight through, just to reinforce the nuts. But I'm thinking that with the serrated nuts, it will lock this rod in place and pretty much make it a sturdy assembly where it will be strong enough to actuate the pedal. That's the thought anyway. All right, for the Accelerator pedal setup, what I did was went and got a piece of sheet metal from a local hardware store, Home Depot. This is about 3/16 of an inch thick. Made where the heck is my paper template at? Cut out a couple of pieces to line up the pedal. As you can see, now I don't know why I traced out the outline of the flange of the drive-by-wire setup, but I did. All I really needed was the mounting holes. Just drill those out. Got that cut out for the pedal. Then I made cut out another piece to mount to the firewall. Now I made a paper. I traced this out, this paper out on top of the piece of metal that I cut out, and use a punch to line up where the holes were on the firewall, so I can trace them to the actual metal piece. Got these drilled out, so these holes right here correspond to what's in the firewall. Then I mounted this to this sheet right here and lined it up with this mounted to the firewall. Just overlaid it right here, and just visualized where it need to go. Had it put in place on the floor, make sure I had full range of motion on the pedal. Everything lines up. So what I'm gonna do now is take these two pieces to my local welder. Hopefully they can weld these two pieces together for me for no more than a few dollars. Get that set up. Then I had this knocked out of the way, and hey, that'll be that. Now this thing over here, I was gonna try something different over here, but it didn't work. I was gonna sandwich the factory pedal rod onto this pedal assembly, but can't get it tight enough for it to actuate the pedal without slipping. Let me see if I can do this. See how the rod just moves? It doesn't actually push this down, so that idea wasn't gonna work. I was trying to use the factory setup just to keep it resemble what Cadillac had envisioned, but hey, that didn't work out. But this right here is gonna work out pretty good. Got it set up for them. Got it marked. this pedal or this sheet needs to face up. The arrow's pointing up, so then they know how to line it up. I got it outlined around the edge so they know where to weld at, here. And this is marked up as well so that, you know, everything is orientated correctly and we don't have any mishaps. All right, once I get this welded up, I'll show you what the finished product looked like. I got the bracket back from the welder. They were able to do it real time. I mean, they stopped what they were doing and got it welded up for me. Welds are pretty tight, real nice. Cool guys. I mean, good customer service. Cost me about 20 bucks. Got to re-drill this hole right here because the bracket or the plate behind it is covering up that hole just a little bit. But overall, I mean, overall pretty good. Go ahead and get this hole drilled out and test fit it again. Then I'm scuff it up real good, lay some paint on it. All right, get this mounted back in here. There. Let's see if I measure this. Right. Come on, yeah. Make it flat. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That looks pretty nice to me. I mean, it's pretty much in line where the factory pedal was. May got some speaker wires, something. But full range of motion. Full range of motion. I'm about to tighten that bottom screw down some more. Got the full range of motion there. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Nice, 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 nice. Hey, check me out. Looks pretty decent to me. I mean, hey, it'll work. Get the job done. All right. Catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.